Area of triangle, we know it is equal to half into base into altitude. But when the three vertices of the triangle are given, remember, we'll use a new formula which is half into modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Area of any triangle equal to 0. If you find area of any triangle equal to 0, then these 3 points will be collinear points. We will find all these 3 points on the same straight line. Conversely, if A, B and C are collinear, we can say area of the triangle formed by the 3 alphabet A, B, C is equal to 0. So here we have seen 4 points. Area of the triangle, this already we had studied last year, and this is the new formula. When to use this? When vertices of a triangle are given, then we use this formula. And area of the triangle equal to 0 when the points are collinear. And if the points are collinear, then area of the triangle equal to 0. Exercise 7.3. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are Exercise 7.3 for sum. Find the area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0 and 2, minus 4. So I have drawn a triangle ABC. Any coordinate we can take for any vertex. Just at random I have taken A as 2, 3, B as minus 1, 0 and C as 2, minus 4. And I have named it as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. It is easy to substitute in the formula. Because we are given 3 vertices of a triangle, here we are going to use area of the triangle as half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Why we take this modulus absolute value? In case if you get here negative value, suppose you are getting half into minus 10. When we remove the modulus, we should take positive value only. For that only this modulus absolute value is drawn here. If it is already positive, there is no change. So here half x1 value is 2, so x1 is replaced by 2, y2 minus y3, y2 is 0, minus y3, minus of minus 4, which is plus 4. Then x2 value is minus 1, so it is replaced by minus 1, y3 is minus 4, minus y1 is 3, plus x3 value is 2, y1 minus y2, y1 is 3, minus y2 is 0. So it is half into 2, this is simplified as plus 4, minus 4 into minus 4, minus 3 becomes minus 7 into this minus 1, plus 2 into 3. Simplifying, we will get half of 21, which is equal to 10.5. It is area of the triangle. Therefore, it is expressed in square units. Second subdivision, you can try it by yourself. It is similar, only the numbers are different. Second sum is, in each of the following, find the value of k for which the points are collinear. So we are given the points are collinear. If points are collinear, what about the area of the triangle? Area of the triangle becomes 0. So we write here, the points are collinear. Therefore, area of triangle is equal to what? Equal to 0. So I take this as A, B and C. Let us name the coordinates as x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3. So using area of the triangle equal to 0, we are going to get the value of k. What is the area of the triangle ABC? It is half modulus of x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. We should remember the formula. It is half. Area of triangle ABC equal to 0. x1 value is 7. y2 minus y3. y2 is 1. y3 is k plus x2 value is 5. y3 is k minus y1 is minus 2 plus x3 value is 3, y1 value is minus 2 and y2 value is 1. It is 2 into 0, therefore 0, modulus of, I multiply here 7 minus 7k. It is 5 into k plus 2 plus 3 into minus 3. 0 equals 7 minus 7k plus 5k plus 10 minus 9. 0 equals, let us collect all the k terms together. 7k plus 5k becomes minus 2k, and here 10 minus 9 is 1, 1 plus 7 is 8. So equating to 0, minus 2k plus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, 2k is equal to 8. Therefore, what is k? K is equal to 4. So if the points are collinear, then for the given values, what will be the value of k? K is equal to 4. Similarly, you can try the second subdivision. Similar, only the numbers are different. Third question in exercise 7.3 is, find the area of the triangle formed by joining the midpoints of the sides of the triangle whose vertices are 0, minus 1, 2, 1 and 0, 3. Find the ratio of the triangle. Find the ratio of this area to the area of the given triangle. The question is very clear. A triangle ABC is formed. That is given. Vertices are given for this original triangle. Another triangle is formed by taking midpoint of all the three sides. Every side is a line segment and every line segment has a unique midpoint. So D we have taken as the midpoint of BC, E midpoint of AC and F midpoint of AB. If I join this DEF, we'll get this triangle. So we are asked to find out area of the triangle formed by DEF using ABC. And then we are asked to find out ratio of this triangle DEF to triangle ABC. Because ABC are given and these are the midpoints, we can find out coordinates of D using B and C. D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, using midpoint formula, we can find out D. Similarly, E can be found from A and C using midpoint formula. F can be calculated from A and B. And then we are going to calculate area of this triangle and area of this triangle. Hence, we can find out the ratio of these two triangles. So I write D is the midpoint of BC. Therefore, coordinates of D are coordinates of D. Sum of x coordinates divided by 2 using midpoint formula and sum of y coordinates divided by 2. 2 upon 2, 1, 4 upon 2 which is 2. Then coordinates of E. E is the midpoint of AC. Therefore, coordinates of E are 0 plus 0 upon 2 plus 3 minus 1 upon 2. Here it is 0, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 upon 2 is 1. Then coordinates of F are, F is the midpoint of AB. Therefore, coordinates of F are 0 plus 2 upon 2, 1 minus 1 upon 2 becomes 1, 0. So let us write first area of triangle ABC, then we find area of triangle DEF. ABC triangle formula is half x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, this I have taken as x1 y1, this x2 y2 and C as x3 y3. Now we can find out. What is x1 value? x1 value is 0, y2 is 1, y3 is 3, x2 value is 2, y3 value is 3, y1 is minus 1, x3 value is 0, y1 is minus 1, minus y2 is minus 1, which is half. 0 into anything becomes here 0 and here 2 into 3 plus 1 becomes 4, again here it becomes 0, which is half into 8, 2 4s are 8 plus 0 becomes 8, which is equal to 4. Then we are going to calculate area of the triangle formed by D, E and F. This D coordinates are 1, 2, E 0, 1 and F is 1, 0. Now we are going to find out area of triangle D, E, F. Half into, I take any one as x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Even if you change and take the value of the area of the triangle is not going to change. So it is half into the same formula, x1 y2 minus y3, x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Substituting x1 value is 1, y2 minus y3, y2 is 1, y3 is 0, plus x2 value is 0, y3 is 0, y1 is 2, x3 is 1, y1 is 2 and y2 is 1. It is half 1 into 1, here it becomes 0, here it is 1 into 1, which is half modulus of 1 plus 1, 2, which is equal to 1. So this is what, this is area of triangle D, E, F. Now we have to find out ratio of their areas DEF upon ABC. DEF is 1 and ABC is 4. Therefore, what is the ratio? Ratio is equal to 1:4. Fourth question is, find area of this quadrilateral. We don't have any direct formula to find area of the quadrilateral. Of course, we have for area of the parallelogram, trapezium, rhombus, rectangle and square, but not for any quadrilateral. So here we are going to draw any one diagonal. We can draw either AC or BD, any one diagonal. In that case, the quadrilateral is converted into two triangles. Get area of this triangle and this triangle. Add these two areas, that gives area of the quadrilateral. So instead of finding area of one triangle like the previous sum, here we have two triangles. Get the area of each triangle, add area of both the triangles, we will get area of the quadrilateral. So first I take this as x1, y1, x2, y2 and this is x3, y3. I get area of triangle ABC. I write the formula x1, y2 minus y3, x2, y3 minus y1 plus x3, y1 minus y2. Substituting the values, x1 is minus 4, y2 is minus 5, y3 is minus 2. x2 value is minus 3, y3 is minus 2, y1 is also minus 2. So we will get here minus of minus 2. y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2. x3 value is 3, y1 is minus 2 and y2 is minus 5, which is half minus 4. Minus 5 plus 2 becomes minus 3. Plus of minus 3 becomes minus 3. Minus 2 plus 2 becomes 0. 3. Minus 2 plus 5 becomes plus 3, which is half minus 12 plus 0 or minus 0 plus 9. Minus 12 plus 9 becomes minus 3. So here we'll get 21. Half of 21, right, becomes what? Becomes 10.5 square units. Similarly, we are going to get area of ADC. Taking this as x1 y1, x3 y3. Now I am going to take this as x2 y2. So now remember only this triangle, not this triangle. Now let us substitute the values. x1 is minus 4, y2 is 3 minus y3 is also minus 2 plus x2 value. x2 is 2, y3 is minus 2 minus y1 is minus 2 plus x3, which is 3, y1 is minus 2 minus y2 is 3, which is equal to half minus 4, 3 plus 2, 5, it is 2, minus 2 and plus 2 becomes 0, 3 into minus 5. So we are getting area of triangle ADC, it is half within the modulus minus 20 plus 0 minus 15. So here the total becomes half minus 35, which is 35 upon 2 square units. Remember, when we remove the modulus, we should take always positive sign, whether inside positive is there or negative is there. When the modulus is removed, we should write its positive value only. But we are asked to find out area of the quadrilateral, which is the sum of the areas of ABC and ADC. What is ABC? We have 10.5 plus here it is 17.5, which is equal to 28 square units. Hope you understood. Previously we had single triangle, but here we have two triangles, that's all. So calculate area of each triangle, add, that becomes area of the quadrilateral. Exercise 7.3, fifth question. I read the question. You have studied in class 9th. A median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. AD is a median. So we studied any median divides the triangle into two equal areas. So area of ADB and ADC always will be equal if AD is a median of the triangle. This we had studied last year. The question is, verify this result for triangle ABC whose vertices are A, B and C. So we are given vertices A, B and C. AD is a median. We know median is a line segment which joins a vertex to the midpoint of its opposite side. So D is what? Midpoint of BC. Therefore, using midpoint formula, we have calculated the coordinates of D. How D is calculated? It is sum of the x coordinate 3 plus 5 divided by 2 minus 2 plus 2 divided by 2. D is the midpoint of BC. So using these two coordinates and midpoint formula, we got coordinates of D, which is 4, 0. So here we are going to find out the relation between the original triangle area with these two smaller triangles area. So taking triangle ABC, we have calculated its area. The area comes to 6 square units. Then the first smaller triangle ABD is taken. Any one can be taken as x1, y1, the other one x2, y2, x3, y3. Its area is calculated. We got 3 square units. And ADC is also calculated. We got again 3 square units. So what did we understand from the results 1, 2 and 3? From 1, 2 and 3, we find these two areas are equal. Which two areas? ABD is equal to what? Equal to ADC. And what is area of triangle ABC? It is 6. Therefore, which is equal to what? Half the area of ABC. Calculate half of 6. You will get 3. Already these two are 3. So the areas of the triangles formed by the medians are equal, which is equal to half the area of the original triangle.